How to install FireKirin on tablet. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your tablet. In the search bar, type FireKirin and press the search button. From the search results, click on the official link from FireKirin. On the home page, you will see download options for Android or iOS. Tap on the option that matches your tablet's operating system and the download will begin immediately. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file from your browser or locate it in your downloads folder. Tap install and allow any necessary permissions if prompted. The installation process will start and complete in a few moments. After the installation is finished, tap open to launch the FireKirin app. You can now enjoy all the features, events and gameplay on your tablet just like on a mobile device. Now you know how to install FireKirin on tablet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.